Check out this Nissan GT-R. So this monstrosity or piece of art is actually a collaboration between two companies. So you can see it has new headlights. The body kit itself is by Kuhl Racing, and the whole body itself is by Rohan Izawa. So what exactly is this? This is a completely new body, and it's a white body, so every body panel that you see here is completely new. It's all golden because it's all gold painted, but that's not the end of the story. You see, the engravings on this whole car, on each and every body panel, is actually hand engraving. So this is a very unique piece of art or waste of time. I'm not sure which one. You can see original parts of the Nissan here. I think the door handle there, and that's pretty much it. But if you come to the back, you can notice that the fenders are of course a little widened. You can see some grille here. Taillights are still the same, side lights are also same, but you have of course a fixed spoiler wing and a completely revised rear bumper and diffuser with the new exhaust system. Some things are impressive, but the whole body is just so shiny. It's hard to really appreciate it. The design of the rear spoiler wing, the arms that are holding it, those are really nice, but again, the rest of the body is a little too much. It's incredibly too much. Some parts of it are just simply glossed, like the pillars, the side mirrors, but some parts are just again too much. The wheels are also quite nice. So they've made no changes to the engine or made the car any more powerful. Of course, with the new exhaust system, I'm sure it sounds incredible. This is one of two cars in the whole world. There's another one like this, but it's silver. This one is the golden one. I guess this is going to be a little more expensive. This car's price is around 2 million dirhams, and similarly you can get a Ferrari 296 GTB. Now I'll be waiting for your comments, and I want to hear about what you think about this car. So I want to see who can come up with the most interesting comment.